Hello guys, as you may know, OpenAI has released the O1 model recently, which is its best reasoning model. It thinks before giving a response, just like a human. In this video, we will test its coding capabilities against Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is currently the best coding model. We will do an interesting Pacman game test later in this video, so let's start. This is the coding test results sheet. O1 vs Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Rules. This is an expert-level Python coding test between the O1 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. We will evaluate the coding proficiency of O1 and the 3.5 Sonnet by asking 3 expert-level questions. We will give 1 point per level pass to each AI chatbot. We will give 1 opportunity per AI to fix a bug if encountered. Also, I may give more opportunities in order to monitor if these models can fix bugs. Maximum 3 opportunities for bug fixes. We will share scores and detailed feedback. So, let's start. Eat a bit Python challenges. Let's select expert level Python questions here. Let's try this question. Copy the question and paste it to Claude 3.5 Sonnet first. Wait now, it is generating an answer. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, let's present the same question to the O1. As you can see, it is the O1 model. Wait. Let it write an answer. It thought for about 15 seconds here. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to O1. Let's try the second question. Copy the question and paste it to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Wait now. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It is getting an error, maybe due to the use of an older Python version. Let's copy the error to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Wait. Code is fixed. Let's check it. It is now a pass. So, 1 point to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, let's try the same question with O1. Let it write an answer. The answer is generated. Let's check it. It is a pass. So, 1.201 as well. Let's try the third question. This question has an image, let's download it. Cloud limit is reached. So I am switching to API in poe.com. Let's try the question with 3.5 Sonnet, added image also. Let it write an answer. Let's check it. It is getting an error. Let's copy the error to 3.5 Sonnet. Let's check the fix. It's a pass now. So, 1 point to 3.5 Sonnet as well. Copy the question and paste it to O1. Added image here. Wait for the answer. Answer is generated. It is getting an error. Let's copy the error to O1. Let's check the fix. It is still a half pass and half fail. Let's try one more time. Let's copy the error to O1. Let's check the fix. It's still a half pass and half fail. 0.5 points to O1. So, these are the final scores, with Claude 3.5 Sonnet as the winner. 3.5 Sonnet is better than O1 in these tests. Let's move to the second Pacman snake game test. Let's start with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I am writing a prompt for a professional, complete Pacman snake game. Let's wait. Here is the code. Now, let's try it. Has errors. Asking for a fix. Using the fixed code now. Now, I am able to play. It has little bugs and issues, as you can see. Still, it has sound and all the basic functions that we need. The screen size has issues, but we can fix these. It is not perfect but still playable. Now, let's try OpenAI O1 model. Asking with the same prompt. Waiting now. Here is the code. Trying. It is working. But arrow keys are not working, and I am not able to play. Asking for a fix. Trying fixed code. It is working, but it still looks weird in the movement of the ghost. But we can play it. It doesn't have sound like Claude's 1. It is also not perfect. So according to me, both models don't give a zero bugs Pacman game that one can play. It is difficult to choose a winner here as both models made some mistakes in the code. You can tell which version is better in the comments. Let's move to the conclusion then. In conclusion, as you see, O1 also has some flaws. It is not perfect in coding. Claude 3.5 is better in coding than O1. If we consider their prices and their performance, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is cheaper and also able to beat O1 in our first tests. So, if you need a good coding model while keeping the cost affordable, you can choose Claude 3.5 Sonnet. That's all. Thanks for watching.